Okay, real quick video. I did a video on refurbishing this pallet and printing pallet, and all I did was actually just put a new top on it and then routed the edge. Used an epoxy, so it worked out really good. Contact cement. I'm sorry, not epoxy. All right, so one of my pallets. You see, I still need to do this one, and I still need to do this one, but this one is a little bit of a pain. Let me spin it back around to the good one. Alright, here we go. They lost the knob off of it. These things can be kind of tricky to find. Found it from with McMaster. Yep, McMaster-Carr or McMaster-Carr in Illinois. So basically I bought 4, and they're a little bit smaller than the ones that are on it. The other one is about close to an inch bigger, but this should be plenty. They had bigger ones, but all the dimensions were a little bit different, so I had to pick and choose. I figured I'd try these. So this is the original nut. You see how loose it is, because taking it off, the top threads were completely buttered. So you see this one's a lot tighter, and I ran a tap over it to fix the threads, so that I'm hoping this will just thread on there real nice. Alright, we'll try that. I just have to get a wrench. What I'll do is we'll back this up until it bottoms out. Alright, I hope I have enough threads on there. So we should just back this up onto it. And that should work. So I have 4 more. I think they were $1.70 each. So I know if you buy it through the screen printing places, buy replacement knobs, they're much more expensive. So McMaster-Carr has a lot of interesting stuff. So let me see how this feels. I figure worst case scenario, I can buy the bigger ones. And just save these for other projects. No, that's fine. That's plenty big enough. If anything, it's probably better because it's not. We'll look at it down there. Alright, that's the new one. Looks like it's gonna work good. And the old one, you can see it's much bigger. And I kinda think the smaller ones, I may switch them all out so they match. But if I make any new brackets for some pallets I make, I'll have knobs at least. But yeah, it's plenty big enough. I guess the shirt may hit it a little bit less. Big, small, big, and then I have one more to put on here, which I can go ahead and, while it's on there, Trying to get as many threads on it as I can. Did I already put that wrench away? There we go. I might actually come back and throw a little Loctite on it just as an added precaution. But now I think the only thing I have left to finish this screen printer refurb is 3 more pallets to look like this one. Nice and white. See the edges, they got a little burnt on that router bit. Let's see, I got this pallet to do. After you take the tape off, it looks like this pallet, which has, oh, you're gonna see those lines. How can I do this? There we go. You can see those burn marks. I originally had this tape on there with all these different images on it. So I got 1, 2, and 3. And then she will be right. And of course I've got my little centerpiece there. Whoa, got a screen on there. Whoa. All right, everyone take care. Whoa. Peace and chicken grease.